Hello my dears, today I'd like to show you one of our COB LED strip. Yes, you can see it have a reading. It have some reading. Yes, and so many pieces. This can spread a circle, a whole circle. When different segments knitting together, it's no sameness, and you can see we have saved the solder pads on the both sides. White color so bright, so you can have your own ideas about the strips, widths, the length, and the reading, the colors, whatever the solder pads you want, the lighting methods you want, the mounting holes you want, or we can custom for you. So we are very wish to help you custom your own COB LED. Waiting for your inquiry. Thank you.